Hey everyone, I just really wanted to thank you, my students, and you who aren't my students, but who watch my channel anyway, for helping get us to 2,000 subscribers. That's a pretty big milestone. I'm pretty excited about it. And I couldn't have gotten here without your help. So thanks, keep sharing those links, keep liking the videos, and let's celebrate in the only way a chemistry teacher knows how, throwing sodium in water.
Mistakes were made.
Now I am in the process of creating a couple videos to dig a little deeper into the sodium reaction, so I hope you'll join me down the rabbit hole as I try to learn a little bit more about topics like electron solvation, Coulomb explosions, the Leidenfrost effect, and maybe even the difference between underwater and air explosions. 1,000 thanks, 2,000 thanks for watching, and have a great day.